respect. Now I would like to invite our proud chief guest, additional AC, please to come on stage and share his thoughts with us.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is really a moment of great pleasure that I'm here to address you at this auspicious event. This is because of the honor, respect, and affection of the principal, the teachers, the students, the elders of Bagan, because from the last 1 or 2 years I am serving here. So I have great affection and great intact with these people and very much concerned with particularly all schools. But Bagan remained my prime agenda item. Various visits I have made here, the struggles and commitment and determination of the principal, which I have seen throughout my entire service, was really tremendous. He, with self support, tried his level best and uphold this institution, its renovation, its teaching methodologies, its environment to the topmost level. But due to the unfortunate incident, his struggle, which he rendered, was not become so fruitful. But after that, he started his journey, and now the school is at a level where you people accomplish your aims, you can achieve your targets, you can achieve your success. We, the district administration, inshallah, strive our efforts and will spare no stone unturned to provide maximum facilities. And I have wrote a letter to my high ups regarding provision of equipments, laboratory equipments, regarding provisions of books for library, regarding provisions of furnitures for the students, regarding provision of furnitures to the honorable teachers. Our commitment, our determination is inshallah at a level. We have students like Ajmal, we have students like Afshan in our scars, we have students like Obed in our scars. Inshallah, we will achieve, we will perform at par the level of down district. The commitment, the determination, the efficiency, everything of this lower quorum is not, cannot be underestimated at par that is upper down districts. They have the capabilities to compete each and every field. Inshallah, we have leadership, we have principals, we have teachers in our front line. Our students are behind, and with the auspicious guidance of their teachers, they will compete the nation. They will be in our army as officers. They will be in civil bureaucracy. They will be in health department. They will be in education department. Lord, God bless you. Thank you.